What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag for this bag right here. This is the Hermes mini Evelyne bag. So if you would like to see, then please keep watching. So I know it's been a long time since I've filmed a what's in my bag video, and I love these videos. I love to make them. I love to watch them. This bag has been my everyday bag, so I wanted to share it with you guys. I did do an unboxing of this bag, so I will leave it up above, but I do want to let you know that the strap is not adjustable, but it is removable. And in that video, I said that I'm 5'4", 5'5", and this is a perfect strap length for me, and it kinda isn't. I'm gonna leave a picture on the screen of me wearing this bag so you can see how it hits me. And again, I'm 5'4", 5'5", and it's very deceiving because I do have a lot of items in this bag and it still could fit way more, but it looks like it's so small and like won't fit anything. And I also want to let you guys know that if you don't know this about this bag, that this is actually the back of the bag. The front of the bag where the little clasp is to close it. If you wear it this way, it's kind of like if you know, you know, but if you wear it this way, then you know. Okay, so this bag is black with gold hardware and the leather is Clemence. I did take the crossbody strap off of the bag just so it would be easier to show you guys. And I'm actually going to turn the bag this way just because it's easier with this little tab to access the items. So here it is, what's inside. So the first thing is this wet brush. I always put this in my bag. I have this Hermes hand cream, which I don't really care for. It has that ginger smell that I don't like, but I was going out and I like to keep my hands moisturized. Then I have my AirPods case. I got this case off of Amazon. They don't make this anymore. It's like a little Celine bag. They don't make this anymore, but I'll link something similar below. And I think these are like the second generation. I don't like the new AirPods, so these are the old ones. I have my keys, which is this Louis Vuitton key pouch or key clay. I have mace, and then I have my car fob. Then I have some Aquaphor just in case my lips feel dry, but this is always in here. Same as this Laneige lip balm. It's the grapefruit one. I love these. I even love the little sleeping ones. I have this Makeup by Mario lip liner in the shade Milk Chocolate. It is such a pretty brown color. There it is right there. This is an Ulta lipstick that they discontinued, which I don't know why. Here it is right here. I just love this color. It's really nude and very sheer but buildable. So yeah, most of the time I'm wearing a brown liner and a nude lipstick or lip gloss. I didn't wear a lip gloss today. Then I have this Touchland hand sanitizer, which I like the smell, but I don't really like this hand sanitizer, so I'm just using it up because I have it. And that's everything that's in the bag. I don't have my phone in there because I am using it to film, but my phone does fit. I know it's an old phone. It's an iPhone 12, but it does fit in this bag. So yeah, that is everything that's in here. And that is it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me a comment down below, share with your friends, and please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me. And I will see you in the next one.